Hello, Kevin Inkster here. This is the new Arbortech TURBOPlane. I believe this is without doubt the best blade we've yet produced. It differs from our existing blades in that it's specifically designed to be used in a flat position and at various angles in between. There's no cutting edge on the perimeter, so it's extremely safe and very, very controllable. There's a whole host of wonderful applications that this tool can be used in, and here's some examples. You'll find that the Arbortech TURBOPlane is perfect for doing freehand beveling or chamfering of wood. A really interesting application is the machining of round timber. So you can put flats on this so that I can make this completely square following the profile, which is very useful in things like Tudor buildings and places where you need to have square adzed wood. Very, very easy to shape like this. Okay, I've got a really nice piece of burl here, and I'm going to cut a section off here so that I can mount it on a lathe. And I'm going to need to put a flat on here, and I'll use the TURBOPlane to make a flat so that I can put it onto the mounting plate. I'm going to actually use the Arbortech All-Saw with the 170 wood blades to cut this piece of wood off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plane a plane on this rough surface. It's probably going to be at a bit of an angle, at the optimum angle, so that I can mount it on the lathe. So I can come at it at any angle and then start to shape that plane. The first thing you notice about the TURBOPlane is it has very wide carbide teeth which produce a shallow, wide planing cut. It actually shaves the wood, unlike burr disc type tools which scratch the surface and produce sawdust. So that's just a few examples of the sorts of things you can achieve using the TURBOPlane. Of course, it's not just a planing tool, it's also a sculpting tool. Can't wait to see the sorts of things that you do out there with this tool. And please send them into our Facebook page. We'd be very, very pleased to see them. Of course, I and others in Arbortech will be doing a whole host of new projects, and we'll be releasing free project plans and videos of how to use this tool. So stay tuned to our website.